In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a picture on PowerPoint transparent. This skill can greatly enhance your presentations, making them look more professional and polished. Whether you're trying to create a nuanced background or just want to overlay images without losing the context of your slides, adjusting the transparency of your pictures can be a game changer. To kick things off, you'll need to have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. It's a pretty standard application on most systems, especially if you're using a device that's associated with professional or academic work. Launch PowerPoint by either clicking on its icon from your desktop or searching for it from your Start menu. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to access your presentation file. You'll see the opening screen when you launch PowerPoint, which conveniently lists your most recent presentations or gives you the option to open a specific file. Navigate through this screen to find the presentation you are working on. If it's a new project, you might want to insert a new slide and then add the picture you're planning to edit. Now let's get to the crux of the matter, selecting the picture you want to adjust. Navigate through your slides and click on the image that you're looking to work with. Once your image is selected, you'll notice that the menu options at the top of PowerPoint change to reflect actions and features related to your selection. Among these options, find the Picture Format tab. This tab becomes accessible only when you have an image selected, and it's where all the magic happens. The Picture Format tab is essentially a toolbox for your image, offering various features such as adjustments, effects, and of course, transparency settings. Once you're in the Picture Format tab, look for the Transparency button. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu with preset transparency settings. These presets offer a range of transparency options from slight adjustments to nearly full transparency. This intuitive slider allows you to visually gauge how your adjustments are affecting the image, which is particularly handy if you're aiming for a specific look or feel. Choose the desired opacity level for your picture. This is where your creative input really comes into play. Depending on your presentation's needs, you might choose a slight transparency to make text easier to read over a busy background, or you might opt for a greater transparency level to create a subtle overlay effect. The presets are there to help guide you, but don't be afraid to experiment with different levels of transparency to see what works best for your specific project. And there you have it. You've successfully made a picture on PowerPoint transparent, adding a layer of sophistication to your presentation. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just the information it conveys, but also how visually engaging it is. By mastering simple yet impactful techniques like adjusting picture transparency, you can elevate your PowerPoint presentations from good to exceptional. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you're working with multiple images or want to apply the same level of transparency across different pictures, you can select multiple images by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and clicking on each image you want to adjust. Once all your desired images are selected, you can then adjust their transparency as a group, ensuring consistency throughout your presentation. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful. Adjusting the transparency of pictures in PowerPoint is just one of the many ways to enhance your presentations and make them more engaging for your audience. Don't hesitate to explore more features within PowerPoint to discover other ways to improve your presentation skills. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.